back to my channel. It's Michelle. We in the new year, y'all. It's 2024. We made it. Praise the Lord. That being said, what is going on? We've been in January for about this long, and it's already crazy. I don't know what that says about the rest of 2024, but we're gonna stay prayed up. So as you saw in the beginning of this video, my little intros that I love to do, the wig is beautiful. So I'm gonna show you how I install this wig from UNice, how I use the ear tab tapes, everything. So the wig today is brought to you by the lovely people of UNice. And before I show you the wig, I'm going to show you the accessories. So included in my box, I got this little bag of accessories, right? So inside of mine, there are some nails, wig caps, and there's also this stretchy elastic band for when you're laying your edges. And then there's some lashes, y'all. So I saw in my comments that there were some people who were saying, where are these accessories at? Every website is different, but always check out the accessories tab. I know for UNice, if you go to accessories and you go under tools, you're gonna see everything that I just showed you and way more. Like, I didn't even know they had ponytail, like wraparound things. They got some jewelry, they got glue. I was like, okay, UNice. But let's get into why we're all gathered here today. So this particular unit from UNice is another one of their pre-everything wigs where you don't have to do anything. The time for getting a wig together is drastically reduced. Like there's no more bleaching that you gotta do, there's no more plucking that you gotta do unless you wanna do some extra. But it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. It's basically designed to be worn glueless. It's got these ear tabs that have invisible tape on them, so your ear tabs aren't flapping in the wind when you're on the back of the motorcycle, because new year, new you. Basically, it's designed for just making life easier, very beginner friendly. For people who are not comfortable with prepping the wig before actually installing the wig. You know, there are some girlies out there who just want to put it on, okay? They don't want to do all the curling, they're not doing all that extra stuff, they just want to put it on and look good. That's what this collection of hair is designed to do. So I'm going to show you the inside of the cap. Look at that, look at that. Let me get up close and personal. So here is all of the parting space of the wig, and if you look closely, you'll see that there are no combs. The only comb that this wig has is on the back, and this is the nape comb, and it has the non-slip wig grip all around the perimeter until you get to the lace. And I appreciate that, because honestly, if a lot of these wigs, when you were wearing them, if you use the ball cap method, there was no need for having a comb, and the combs were always in the crown, which was like kind of an awkward spot for it to be. So they went ahead and removed the combs, the temple combs on the side, but they do have these two notches where you would engage this adjustable strap, and this is included. And this adjustable strap is also covered with the same non-slip silicone, so you can get a more custom fit to your wig. So with me putting my hands in it, you can see the dome fit of this cap. So this cap is going to be really comfortable. It also, with no combs, makes it really, really flat. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this adjustable strap in while I chat. So I wore one of these wigs in my previous video. They also include more tape, just in case you have a boo-boo and you need some assistance. But yeah, it had been a long time since I had some tape, and somebody in my comments said that they got it in their hair, bro. Let me tell you something. Tape in your hair is something that you want to avoid, but all you have to do is slather some oil over the tape, and gingerly you can comb it out. So it's an easy problem to fix, but to make sure that I don't have that problem, I went ahead and did the ball cap method. So I'm bald under here, y'all, and I'm ready to go. As soon as I adjust this strap, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on my head and make all the necessary adjustments so that it is nice and snug. You see what I mean? Girl. So for my people who are trying to cut down on their installation time, this is the way to go, because it's on. And you see how my ear flaps up like that? As soon as I take this blue part of the tape off, and adhere it, it's gonna be okay. So I did the ball cap method just because I wanted it as flat as possible, because I cannot cornrow flat to save my life. I can cornrow now. It's not pretty cornrows though. They're gonna be bumpy and lumpy, right? So y'all who don't have that problem, you ain't gotta do it, but I did it. I can put this directly on the ball cap and I don't have to worry about it touching my hair or doing any damage whatsoever. So let me get a little close. It's really close. So look, this is the hairline. This is what it's giving without trying to blend it into my scalp at all. This is their transparent lace. It is on there real good, honey. Okay, this is the curl. But I just wanted to show you what that looked like before I do any more messing around with it. Since I have done this ball cap method, I don't have to do any prep. I can just put the tape directly down on the wig cap. But if you do not, and you're putting this down directly on your skin, you want to make sure that you take a little bit of alcohol. Like I have some in my spray bottle because I use it for various reasons all over the place. So you're going to want to take some alcohol, and you're going to want to really cleanse the area that this tape is going to lay down to, so you can remove any oils, especially if you're wearing makeup. And then you go ahead and you peel this sucker down, and then you're gonna stick it on, and then I use just the back of my rat tail comb and I just really lightly press it in. But once you activate that tape, you're ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel the backing off of the tape, and I'm going to engage the tape and make sure that that's nice and secure. And then for this halo that you can say hello, hello, I'm gonna use some spritz, and I'm gonna try to get rid of that cast. And then that's really gonna melt into my hairline.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better.
I'll tell you the mental breakdown that I just had. It's over now. I tried to do edges again, but they came out okay. So once I'm convinced that they're dry and they're not gonna move, it's like trying to. I'm gonna be right back, and then I'm gonna beat my face, and then we're gonna finish styling this beautiful hair.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop.
Okay, the makeup is finally done. Now it's time for me to show you guys how long this hair actually is. It's 26 inches, oh she is long. I'm going to stand up.
I'll keep you safe, time that I relocate. Don't play that game, Shawty, don't play that game.
So here is the length of the hair, it's crazy long. So, and it's also bone straight. And I'm kind of liking the look of it. So I don't really want to put any curls in it because I like the way it looks just like this. Definitely waist length on me. Yeah, about right there. I don't think it needs anything. I don't think it needs a bump. I want to put some curls in it so bad, but I'm not going to because this looks fantastic by itself. So let me go ahead and show you guys the back. So that's all. Super quick and easy install. Very, very, very beginner friendly, especially if you don't fool with no baby hairs. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. All the information about this gorgeous hair will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I hope you had a happy new year. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!
Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. Got a lot of. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? Got to do. I'ma make it loud. How I made you scream like a cockatoo. What you expect? How I forget?